uthi awushozi ayivele ifike vele next week asifonele vele athi ladies prepare yourself siyahamba already sengine documentation la niyakhona yabona. Asho masifika airport une-file already izinto zethu already nasesimthumela ama-bank statements, simthumela ithombe, simthumela everything bekayidinga vele personal yethu simforwardela yabona. So na everything yethu vele ifile nasho ukuthi nawo amaphepha wenu ngiwaphethe asihambe sesiredi ukuthi singahamba. Awushozi vele ngibe excited. Ngisengicabanga ifuture ukuthi mangibe South Africa ngifike ngithenga indlu ngithenge nemoto. Uthi phela in dollars mangiyiconverta ngapha abathi ngiyothola $3,000 mangiyiconvertela ngapha South African rands. Ngibona ukuthi musingoba nemali ngapha South Africa yabo. Uthi sifike vele planning sigibele vele sikhambe sihamba nalis influencer girl with a boyfriend yakhe. Should say C4 yimi no friend and then the influencer girl ne boyfriend uthi vele sifly bathiwa kune event la siyakhona befuthi sofika lapho kube i-training i-first night basonga ukuthi sisebenza kanjani. Alright, awusozi sihambe sifike ngale umuntu bese ukuthi vele already sibukele nendawo uthi athi restani kusasa like you've got a very hectic day. So ngicela ukuthi nirest kusasa ningavuki nama tea-bag eyes or nama baggy eyes or awushozi vele roba liresora moisturizer reba smart or mere smart sithinte nama eyebrows ke di eyelash ke manani uthi smart ukuthi mabathi sivele sisebenze babonke abanye aba South Africa abanye bayithatha. Or awushozi ngalomzuzu vele sengicabange mina umsebenzi usho like ayikhwenye into ngicabanga umsebenzi ngicabanga imali. So uthi vele the following day vele ekseni vele asifusa at ladies ngicela ukuthi nigezeni beni bahle siyahamba yabona. Or awushozi singene kule account ama documentation wethu ugel waphethe ku file because usho ukuthi everything yenu uzoyikhipha in one file izokhona ukuba save cost na nima first time ngibele aeroplane first time futhi nima outside the country. I don't want ukuthi nibe trapped ngaphandle kwe country ngakuthi nibuya kanjani yabona. I was just like, be suspicious of any evil act or something. No, vele si out of excitement basthathe vele basithi breakfast, sidle breakfast at basamela ama business partners kule restaurant besiye. Uthi vele vele these guys vele umunye Steven uthi umunye ambona ukuthi hama ne bodyguard uthatha ama business associate. Uthi hayi vele abantu vele bakhulume baqeda uthi mabaqeda nama business associate athi sizohamba nanso nikhomsela nosebenza khona. Uthi vele asivalelise athi mina ladies indlela yami iphelela lana nibonile landele console la khona manibuya from these guys nizolala lapho and then indlela yami iphelela la ngiyahamba but I will keep in contact. Or awushozi masifika ngalesilenda usorganizela amafoni ama sim card to amafoni wethu usithola sibukele already nendawo wathi sizohlala lapha yana until i-contact yethu iziphele nalabantu esobasebenza nani South Africa. Or sharp singabi nenkinga hayi sivalelisana ugel nomuntu wakhe vele bahambe thina sale nalaba basi-introduce sibobani this is your boss ba introduce kulo hama ne bodyguard ukuthi boss yethu hayi. Or awushozi hayi rizamai uthi uthi masihamba sama nabo ngemoto uthi masama nabo ngemoto vele afike vele ku this night club uthi mangaphandle kunelanga ungena ngaphakathi vele kumnyama kumnyama uthi athi nizosebenzela la. Or immediately mangena ngibona kune strip pole ngisho stripper pole lokho abadansela kiyo ama stripper khona lokho uthi ngibone vele kunama poles vele uthi kumnyama la ngaphakathi uthi ngifile ukuthi hayi siwenza ini mara la uthi guy angitshele ke athi hamba ngale change room no changer ngizothola impahla ngizibekile ku counter ngigcoke zona then sibonga ukuthi nizowenzani. Uthi hawo asifika ngale vele sithole vele yabona RD yamaphendumo umpintshana azigcoka ama stripper uthi sibone kulapho ukuthi hayi man or so save abantu sigcoke so yabona. Uthi vele mina ngiphume ngibuye ngithi hayi like sigcoka lamaphenti la kanti masisoba waitress so save ama drinks sigcoka singagcokanga na ukaya athi bani uthi zinoba waitress la ngoba nani zoba ama stripper. Haw uthandi ukuthi awushosi ngithome mosketcho wekira haw soba ama stripper kanjani cause lana bathize soba ama waitress athi loba ama stripper this is your section akhombe vele la kunama stripper poles khona this is your section uzosebenzela la and you're not allowed ukuthi client ihambe nawe endlini. You're not allowed ukuthi uthatha ama contact with client uthi vele base limited uthi like sise puzzled ukuthi hayi yabona nansi allowed ukwenzani athi xokani masinye ningamoshile boss isikhathi sibonga ukuthi ningayenzani or awushozi angena experience yoku stripper akithi beselu ka stripper nantu kithi bangothwara amabhotlelo sishake asihambe yabona hayi simtshela ukuthi nazange siwenze lo msebenzi lo thina besimabhotlelo girls from South Africa athi yes South Africa but this side njoba ma strippers or awushozi kuze ngentombazana isikhomba ukuthi senza kanjani epalini ensi entertain kanjani icustomer ukuthi khipha imali udlalisa kanjani eTVG usheka kanjani ibuni uthi vele asiphe like i tutorial ukuthi nenza kanjani ukuze ukuthi attract imali or awushozi like ngingakhona ukukhuluma vele sivele senze practice athi hambani nibeleni ehoteleni enenqitelana nizobuya kusasa emsebenzini sizoza sonilana uthawu okay thina makathe hotel ensiganga ukuthi sibela la silele khona kilobona uthi hayi vele driver vele start uthi driver masithatha immediately masingena vele athi usithatha ngenye imoto uthi immediately masingena vele emotweni uthi sibona amabag wethu how ngoba amabag khoshile silele khona athi no manje kunala nolala khona ngeke ngisahlala lapha nohlala kwenye hotel la kuhlala khona abasebenzi bala endlini yabona ashozi ngizama ukufonela ugel the content creator yangapha idayisa amantombazana uthi ngizama ukufonela ugel ngizama ukufonela ugel kela ngayibami ngimfonela ugel ngayibami uthi mangimfonela boy4 vele ifoni vele ngibona ukuthi so ngiblockile uthi ngitshela ugel lo ngithi fona ngefoni yakho uthi afona masifonela boy4 naye sebamblockile ayisaring uthi vele sihambe uthi masihamba vele kunendawo la kuhlala khona vele lamantombazana lawa strippayo amantombazana lawo vele athengisa ngomzimba uthi vele bahlala lapho like kuba ngathi like kiko boarding school athi like kunama bunk beds astikiwe so yabona sikuhlaliwa lapho kunomuntu oklinayo kunomuntu ophekayo nina the only thing ukuthi no yemsebenzini manshaya sekuseni nisika lapha yana niyalala athi kuba ngathi kiko boarding school nina ama security abantu abanigadile uthi ngabona lapho ukuthi yabona la sisenjeni yabona la sisenkingeni serious uthi vele bafike basikhoma ukuthi nanzolala lana engce ukuthi industry soza sizonlata lady uthi masifika lapha vele sibize ngintombazana sombiza uKelly intombazana uthi sibuza uKelly kanti kwenzakala ndla Kelly vele achaza ukuthi lana mawuze ngapha you should know ukuthi bakuthengisile so we property labantu labo they will tell you what to do each and every time and baya controller ukuthi bathi ukuthi udlane nomkakane niwenzani isikhathi bani yabona everything or awushozi sisesebasha and we are still young like ara experience abuphilo bo uthi Kelly asitshela ukuthi in order for you to be safe uphile kule country le you need to follow the rules follow each and every rule abakutshela yona awushozi olukebela ka country enalenye abantu abaningi abakhonzayo yabona lama country laba abagcoka lokho ngifuna expose yabona ngabantu abaningi abakhonzayo kule country leyo uthi hayi sele sihlale lapha yana uthi okay decide ukuthi ama so freshen up sigeze ke yabona uthi like le cold showering awunalumenza ufisha ngeza ngamanzi abandayo wena kuyabanda wena ivulene wenza akunamanzi okushisa ngeza ngamanzi abandayo alright vele sihlale vele sithi sitama vele ukufona vele sifonela le ntombazana still vele ifona ayibamba sayifonela vele ifoni yakhe silsole blockile uthi ngimtshela ukuthi athina sizene intombazana ngapha bekathi usebenza ama restaurant in athi bonke baskema so athi mina ngize ngapha bebangizemisa umsebenzi uthi ngoba inene komunye umuntu but only to find out ukuthi ngigcina sengela alright oshozi vele kungabi nendaba siye lapha yana uthi ebusuku vele kushaya ebusuku sihambe lapha yana siyo stripper uthi vele stripper hayi kube ukuthi siphila kanjalo senza kanjalo imali yabona uthi kuyenzeka ukuthi one day this other client ibe interested kimi yabona sayiba interested vele nje ukuthi no ngiyakufuna in can we go somewhere and stuff like that yabona uthi basitshelile ukuthi ufanele ukuthi unga interact nama client they are there to spend money hayi ukuthi wona sojika soba nama private session bakhona amantombazana ayenza ama private session thina besisebasha bebangathi basintroduce kule mpilo yabo ukuthi uyojika seyathengisa ngomzimba wakho thina bese stripper phela and abantu basana cause manyu 56 and siseyang vele imali vele beyingena ku department yethu othi ni connect vele no brothers ngimtshela masinguthi angamelanga ukuthi ngikhulume nawe and mina ngeke ngize ngikhona ukuphuma lana unless if siyabonana ekhoneni masinya ngisese ku break yabona uthi uGuy vele athi I can help you out lana man la yabona uthi uGuy asibantu beskin sethu abantu vele babelungu athi I can help you ukuthi ubaleke la athi enza ngathi toilet nenizohlangana nawe move amasinya ngizobaleka nawe ngemoto ula awushozi vele kube easy like that ngishale intombazane yemngani wami uthi ngiphume like that 1 2 ngithe emotweni ngihambe noGuy yabona ngibhalela usisuthu sisubani mara angithi usisuthanda ngibhalela usisuthu awushozi mina yazi ngibona izinto ezinkulu ngimncane nje ukuthi ngoba ngithanda izinto uthi mina I won't lie angakhulelanga emakhaya ngikhulele elokishini. The sad part is just ukuthi ngikhulise ugogo wami because my mother died mina ngisesemncane. Or awushozi okay ngibe lo mntwana lo ukuthi ngithanda izinto ngithanda abafana uthi I just want to be honest ngisaqala ukuthi ngingene enyakanyakeni because of ukuthanda izinto engakhona ukuzi-afforda ngisesemncane ngarata abashimane ngachaba sikolo. So usisi uthi okay mina the reason being ukuthi ngithanda izinto is because of ugogo wami besiphila ngemali yakhe and beka umuntu onga-afford izinto ezinhle eziningi as a teenager like nami ngikhalela ukuthi ngigcoke smart ngichange ukugena something in fashion lena kuyapare kebe smart like bana babanga ugogo wami ayathengela izimpahla ngoDecember aphinde akuthengele futhi next December. So makuza ama-trends and stuff like that bengakhoni mina ku-join the group because of bekisinachelete. So one of my friend introduce ke indabeni zokujola ke or I was 16 years old mina mangicala ngijola and sengijolela ukuthi ngifuna imali with my other friend. So uthi bisibantwana laba ukuthi siyabaleka siya kodi phapung kodi tavern sifuna like abantu like it doesn't matter ukuthi wanthoba lo mfatshelete bekisinataba as long as ukamfatshelete go ngetsa ngakene taba as long as ukamfatshelete or bekele one of those kids vela abangezwe bengingezwa nasesikolweni ngiqala sengihamba vele ngidraw amashiya sengifake imascara kira lerking wanibona lama teenagers mabaqala ugcobisa umlomo bayenza nithini lesenza ngayo la i-eyebrow by arbekile banyana balo bawuthala eyebrow black moke esikolweni kiri black then kiri lip gloss kodimo like bongena membe yangangitshela like bengizifila ukuthi this is my life, I can do whatever I want. Okay, or I shows even though ugogo wami like bokumuntu sondo azama like ukungikhalima and stuff, but because of bengi benginabangani ababad bengamlaleli bebahlala bathi gogo akuzosikhinya uthi vele bevele ngihamba noma athetha bengihamba or awushozi ngahamba abe 17 years mangithi 17 years maqala vele yazi le phaborini leni dumile asegoli le ebedumile mara manje ivaliwe nayazi ngisho ebe expensive bephaka imoto is expensive netseba ngeke or awushozi maqala yona vele iphithizela uthi lesikhathi vele ukucala vele kufunwa ilabantu bazana nababamba ama bottle girls angisho babiza lokho kona lokho la baphatha ama champagne thola iphuma lo mlilo lo niyayibona ngisho ukuthi abacala vele bafuna bona or awushozi ka body I'm fine ka complexion ngilela ubone and ke smart abona or awushozi bafune bona ke uthi leso sikhathi ngina17 bafuna abantu bana 18 uthi vele ngiforce one of these guys ngithi hayi man ngizothena 18 ngasekudala ngicela ukuthi ningithathe kulabona uthi bathi mabangibheka like umzimba uyavuma ukuthi nga18 but mina vele kami ngihake na 17 but I'm turning 18 so uthi bangithathe uri arifihla kwale like bebasiphe vele i-uniform esiyigcokayo uthi awushoes maketsana ngole ke bone bana ba walichele uthi like ngibona ukuthi yabona la singene emafutheni semali uthi the first week beba abasicoach and stuff like that I don't know what baba coach baba dira loyizanga baba briefing ukuthi bawenzani kahle so uthi mina already senginama targets uthi umuntu mangangifuna phone number umuntu mangangifuna phone number umuntu mangangifuna phone number uthi bengadlali ke yabona uthi like there was this guy bebasebenza le beyangafuni ukuthi vele bamingele nalama customer beyangafuni athi you need to respect so athi like kuzo zonke izindawo ezisnacks there is this one person ozongicabangela and anifisela izinto ezinhle but us being young girls esithanda izinto singaqicabangi lokho kulabona what I was choosing first day mayikubela lesigaya abe interested kimi uthi ngimuthi mana mafoni masinya vele ke sithi namafunza kumfunela or I was choosing ngalelo lango lokuqala this guy wasipho sifana sikhathi bani ngamtshela ukuthi ngizokulinda until uzoshayisa uthi masishayisa umuntu songilindile vele ukhoneni ngitshelela ukuthi ngizokulinda kuphi ngilindile or azanti nyakho ukuthi shikabe sekishelela komuntu masifika lapha yana uguy athi no second location singaya kuphi to chill or to groove or leso sikhathi sekungabo AM uthi ngithi mina ngikhathele as I just want to rest athi asihambe siyobhukha to the nearest place or azange ngitseke nahanga ndulutse ngata or angangitshontsha uthi ingqondo yami bengekho lapho I don't want to lie uthi sihambe noguy asifika lapha noguy vele abatle ntwe batlang or I was sure ke mo fe ntwe batlang cause nna ke batla le nna ntwe ke batlang uthi guy vele afike athi ngipha mfesiphatlo or ke mo fesiphatlo na ke mfe chelete uthi guy vele akhipha imali kube ukuthi into ethu siyenza casual sesiyahook up stuff like that yabona so ahlala aza lapha ahaba irregular customer so phela them each and every week because abantu abane more money every week and each and every week ngiba nama targets wami phela ngeke ngize ngibheke lo ozongipha 1000 rand mina ngifuna umuntu ozongipha bo 5k yabona or because of certificates bachelete certificates balohuda pesa ehle kahle sengimsester but I'm young angisana ndaba nesikole sengidrop out nasesikolweni because of ke batla chelete uthi there is one friend of ours bekazana nalabantu bakhuluma English ama capital letters yabona ama capital letters uthi and then samcela ukuthi asifojele matric certificate this guy because of each and every month umsebenzi bafuna matric certificate uri awushoze umuntu la forjeta the matric certificate bese nama matric certificate baka matric asangingene but bernali zona yabona so ukuthi masifuna something about in matric sithi matric ngayo because of ntongolo ngwane batla matric certificate or I was sure what I can tell you is that lo yamuntu okhuluma English ama capital letters like bekana ama connection yonke ndawo yabona so it happened with one day kuza this influencer girl azana bangani bakhe lapha yana so uthi sahlangana naye this girl uthi sahlangana na this girl uyi-influencer uthi this girl vele wathi ngiyangicela ukunibona nisesebasha ne uthi vele sixoxe vele naye sibasha athi mina I've got a job opportunity engani offer yona enganenzela imali in dollars yabona ebangani in dollars but ukuthi nibe nama passport na abakhe bathi now yabona lo asho ukuthi ishimina like angeke ngikhona ukuthola passport now yabona athi hayi man ngizoniorganizela amaphepha ningawari someone I know ngani organizela everything ukuthi ni 6 phume outside the country nguna la ngomsebenzi khona but lapho nofika nibe ma waitress and stuff like that but in a bar should nyoba ama bottle girls niphinde nibe ma waitress yabona so uthi vele kube ukuthi indaba uthi sajabula because already smart bottle girls and futhi waitress is not a difficult thing if ever so uyawazi ukusocialize nabantu siyakhona ukuthi ubheke ukuthi abantu badinga in around ispace yabona so uthi awushoze vele sivumelana kanjani athi mina ngipha 2 to 3 weeks ngizoniorganizela amaphepha enza ama passport ngizoniorganizela amaphepha wenu and then la ngizonitshela khona ukuthi what's the next step what awushoze kule viki vele sisebenza uthi siyacabanga vele uthi sesibhekana nemali ukuthi nofanele sithenge izimpahla masihamba content what awushoze vele ngitshela kwami ukuthi mina ngithola umsebenzi outside the country ngoba i-waitress but angazi bathize bazongitshela after 2 weeks so koko mangibuza ukuthi uyamazi nomuntu lo kuhambisayo abantu abazana 20 ngithi gokho relax ngiyazi le ntombazana lesihamba nayo uyosikhombisela sosebenza khona and then mina ngizokufonela mangifika ngale or if ever bangiphathela extra ngizakupha imali uthi kokwami ufethu nepoint ukuthi akasana ndaba ukuthi ngenzana ngenzeni ngisekhaya nginendaba uthi esilongisa ngibona ngibuya ngiphilile into vela uthi uthuko kwakhe ushilo athi mina ngiyazi gabaje ke tswere ke high blood athi ngistress awu ngoba wena ufuna ukuthi impilo yakhe enjoy de uyifuna ngakhona but kusasa uzongikhumbula or also skeresh lemagogo zongikhinge yazi ngana ndaba nogokwami like beke sinendaba lena wetsa ngwala wira bengingana ndaba my eyes nje beka locked ukuthi I want money and ngifuna fast and eningi ukuthi ngithola kanjani I don't care what I was choosing isikhathi hamba uthi hayi kube ne event vele la sebenzela khona bakwane event vele intombazana le event intombazana vele is it's girls ngintholele phela ama documents next week ndaba ukuthi ngizohamba but I'm still finding nezinye izinto ezincane if ever vele niyavuma next week vele siyahamba uthi sijabule sithi yes the opportunity dala simele uthi vele sithana lamantombazana senza ukuthi thina siyosebenza kogayi outside the country ibilo ku restaurant thing eling top bar iseva di celebrity fair yabona or awushozi kube kubaleka kwami ke anda le ndaba le ukuthi siyoba ama-strippers laphayana ngishilo this friend na yami ngize la from South Africa vele ngibaleke na this white guy yabona uthi masihamba vele white guy vele asola ngibuza ama-question kanti ngifike njani uthi vele ngimchazele uthi ngithukela le ntombazana le yabona isile move uthi along the way masise endlini ngithi hayi man like mina umngani wami lo ngimsha laphayana ngisabe ukuthi ngimshi athi no sizofind a way ukuthi ngizobuya ngimlande but for now angihambe now uthi vele sihambe mina oguy uthi vele masiyuguy angitshela athi mina ngomfazi nomntwana sizohamba somewhere senze whatever siyenzayo and then wena uzohlala nathi endlini la kuhlala khona umfazi wami nomntwana but yona uzofika esifu ngathi uzofuna umsebenzi wokuclean uzoza the following day ube ngathi umuntu ufuna umsebenzi wokuclean then mina ngizothi akucashe then uzokhona ukuhlala nathi izokhona ukuthi ugade ube safe I kube it like that or awushoseresama urafika kwa ayithi siyasetsa kesahlele kusnataba because now I'm trying to survive le mpilo le asele bangintroduce ki global ante following day vele ahambe vele sambe sithi angishiye khoneni athi ukokota kulo yamnyango loyana and ufike vele usikhalisa ukuthi you're hungry in full umsebenzi then nje ukuthi akhiris uthi vele mangifika uthi lo mama lo vele unabantwana abayi2 abancane uthi mangifika vele ngizwe vele ukhala abantwana uthi vele ngicele vele ukuthi ngi foreigner in someone ungangaphungishile anginamali so I'm looking for a job nanoma ngayenza ini yabona uthi vele lo mama lo athi mina angeke ngikhona ukucasha angikwazi angikuthembi foreigners yabona uthi vele angingenele like this uthi vele baba vele as a time man give the girl a chance abonse semncane like uthethe ama petition ngempilo yakhe yabona uthi convince lo mama uthi lo mama angithatha athi but ngizokucheck uzoba ku 24 hour surveillance because ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uyini yabona so urawushozi vele ngifike kanjalo ngibe yicleaner laphayana ngibe yineni ngibe yikho konke nje bangithume yonke into uthi ngisebenze ngigada abantwana ngenzeni uthi ngiclean ngiscrap amakaka yonke into ngiwasha amawashini uthi each and every night and then like izasinika in idlorobala lena Msada Roberts each and every night into izosinika in izolala nami uthi kube ukuthi sengidevelop ama feelings vele for this guy lo uqale angenzana uthi vele ngiqala sengidevelop ama feelings uthi mind you also skithule ko South Africa azange ngize ngihlabe ngiprevent ngaza ngapha azange ngize ngiprevent manje this guy ulala nami every night unkosikazi akhe makayenza especially unkosikazi mangathi I'm going to see my family yena uyohamba umdrop amakabuyela athi azenza ngathi uyitshwaleni ulinde lo mama loyana asuke amdrope abuye ngapha si enjoy sihlalele kwakhe kube mnandi rifanele iphatho kube mnandi enena jike azilalisela abavakashi khona uthi vele bekwimpilo yethu uthi siyatshontsha until one day I was just given normal ngipreg uthi ngakhula uthi kwamoshe ukuthi ngikhulela uthi ngakhulela uthi mangikhulela nomlungu lubekazi ukuthi angiphumi angala ngiyakhona because I don't know the place so wabona wathi 1+1 lo muntu lo pregise indoda yami or awushozi uthi zema kangibheka athi wena pregnant uthi ngaphika ngathi athi ngithi pregnant wena sasesehamba ngifuna ukucheckisa uthi vele ndifuna ukuthi vele ngigeze esihambe vele hamba ngicheckisa or awushozi kufika kwa vele kuthola ukuthi vele I'm 4 months pregnant uthi from there ngabona ukuthi impilo yami ke manje yashabalala or awushozi lo mama lo vela ngicoshe kwakhe uthi the husband angasho next angicoshe athi angisakufuna awusuthola imamoli ngihlana nabantu bangangikhokhela even a cent bengisengilibekele khoba labona nje lona bengisicela sakhe socansi lona bengisicela sakhe sabantwana plus nokupheka nokuklina yonke into yabona uthi vele bangicoshe uthi ungicosheni kwabe ngabona ukuthi angisana plan I need to find that place leyana ngicela les wastripa ngihamba yofuna umngane wami ngincinge ukuthi ngihlale khona or awushozi vele ngiphinde vele ngibarishe ngifike kule ndawo le la lo mfana wangizonja khona umlungu uthi mangifika lapha yana ngithola vele umngane wami manje sekayi siyasebenza vele ngokuqansi bam-upgrade to level number 2 siyasebenza ngokuqansi uthi mina awushozi mangivele ngivele ngesisi uthi le boss musimayithi ngibona athi waleke kanjani wena vele uthi the immediately sathi ngiyaphendula bese ngivuthula ngezimpama athi you know ukuthi how much I paid ukuthi ube lana wena yazi ukuthi ngiphathele imali ngaphuza lana unesisi uzoyenza la unesisi yabona athi uyafuna ukuthi uthengise umzimba uneso cause there is nothing for mahala imali yami ngiyayifuna and ngifuna kuwe or awushozi what I can tell you is that lo muntu wangizonda wanginyanya wathi ngizofundisa lamantombazana ukuthi kubalekwa kanjani uthi from lapho ngaba ne small room uthi room encane la bengihlala khona nge1 benga interact lamantombazana la uthi makune client efuna umuntu uzolala naye bangisa lapho ngiyalaliyo uthi kile pregnant because of I owe the man imali le angithenga ngayi kule ntombazana le ithengisa lamantombazana la yabona. What else Josie? Like ngihlupheke kanjalo ngihlupheke bang abuse ngilekele pregnant uthi ufike into insana ukuthi vele umntwana uza before time, and ma uza before time I cannot go isibhedlela sangale because of bafuna documentation. Anginani documentation yangapha because of le ntombazana unikeze this guy or uhambe naye, I don't know. Bangitshele kahle ukuthi uzozidedisa lo mntwana, or awusozi bangitshele kahle ukuthi lo mama cleaner at sisi awuna choice, you need to uzidedise. Ora ngawubathi gore mntwana wami uze before time, ngamphusha ngiwani kule small room, ngamphusha umntwana waphuma, umntwana wazathulile. Ora awusithi umama wamthatha wamcheka, umntwana uthulile. Uthi umama wamthatha wamfaka eplastikini, uthi wangcina wathamba yogeza ngamangeke like no sinana kore ukalawa mona ngwana how no besingekho uthi ngakliniwa bathamba yogeza ngahamba ngageza and wasala klina leya masikazi lapha phansi waklina uthi umntwana lo ngeplastic bamisephi or ngawo botha today akitsebi but ngwana bamkile bamkenke hara plastic ke mmono gore ngwana aphile vele uthi beka blue umntwana beyangaphile. Or awusithi for like 2 weeks bengiphila ngomdoko, bengiphila ngesoup ne one sly because it was part of a punishment ukuthi mina ngibalekile. Uthi lo yamlungu lo owangibalekisa uthi angifune back ke uthi azonginceda ukuthi wenze njani in or azongicheck azange aphinda libeke kule yandawo. What awusithi even my friend wangizonda ukuthi mina bengibalekile ngiyojola nomuntu le wesimlungishene like nana le friendship besinayo uthi yaphela. Or I was all alone kule ndawo lena and akahlekele one, so I'm all alone and philo ke buthoko ukufetsolosa ngwana ngicela ukuba umama for the first time in a foreign country. Ngizidedisile ngama ukuthi umntwana uphuma kanjani, fanele ukuthi umphushe kanjani without any assistance. So or kabona uri bophelo baka bosinyegile, and now the only hoping na ukuthi ngifuna ukubela ekhaya. Or I was choosing the more isikhathi siya uthi bangipha vele 2 weeks ngasebenzi ngalala umuntu and stuff like that. Uthi after 2 weeks vele bangitshela ukuthi no, now I think it's all right ukuthi ungalala nomuntu, so sizokufunela umsebenzi. Or awushozi neholo gore vele kyatsiba gore ka azingathi Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday vele uzosebenza umzimba uzosebenza. Uthi uyakuthi uphumula Tuesday, Wednesday ilavele uyolala the whole day ungayenzi next, but athi Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday uzosebenza hutha no. Or awushozi animal besiyenza ngemizimba yethu kabuhlungu to extend ukuthi noma ungasafuni boyenza. They give you a choice ukuthi uyafuna ukuphema ama drugs ungene usopa or ufuna ukuthi ungene ubusy usema drugsini. Uthi bekuphalo choice bangakuforce ama drugs, but mina was like no, angifuni ukusifaka endabeni ama drugs. Uthi my friend already be hooked endabeni ukuthi vele uyi drug addict, mabathi i-client yeza in 10 minutes uyabhema lento lokuthi ikhike in. Uthi naye I couldn't, bengakhona sengicabange ubani ugogo wami ukuthi ngiyofa la ngibulalwa izifo zasemhlabeni nokuthi ngithanda izinto. Or awushozi buphelo bakhe bathoma vele kushuthi like sengabonakala ukuthi manje sengifuna ukukhaya, I'm homesick, sengiyagula nami mentally, physical, angiseseke lo muntu lo yana like nale full of life athanda izinto, athanda imali bengaseseni yena. Uthi bengicela ukuthi mina bangibuyisele ekhaya. Uthi vele ngicela lo mlungu lo osithengile uthi ngicela ukuthi ungibuyisele ekhaya, like I've done imali yakho eningi, ngihlala nginama client mina amaningi a request mina, ngiyacela ngicela ukuthi ungibuyisele ekhaya. Uthi client ngitshela lo boss ngitshela ukuthi wena ngenza ngawe imali yama cash cow, so you should know ukuthi akuna la uyakhona, uzosebenza uzubusa imali yami engakukhokhela ngayo. Uthi ngimcela ukuthi mara ngisho ukuthi secoverile le mali, ngiyacela athi umlungu athi ngithi awuyi ndawo uzohlala khona la up until uzobugogo kuba ngasakufuna abantu ila ngakukhipha khona. Or I was just ila ngabona khona ukuthi I messed up my life, ngithanda izinto engazazi. Uthi like bengithandaza ngibe ngiphahle ukuthi nangibona ngikuphi, ngicela ukuthi ningiphusize ukuthi ngikhona ukuphuma la. What awushozi vele kube ukuthi sengiacceptile ukuthi fate yami yophelela la, ukuthi ngiyokukhulela la ngize ngishonele ngapha without knowing ukuthi my grandmother unjani usave kanjani naba. Alright, kwenzeke ukuthi ulo boss wethu vele ahoste iphathi, ahostele one of ama girlfriend wakhe vele iphathi. So ma hosta iphathi abangani bakhe bonke like laba abasili bafune vele ukuthi hosteliwe elwandle inside the boat yabona sifuna nama girls yabona uthi bachoose mina bachoose my friend bachoose na this other girl bathu Kelly bachoose nomunye intombazana like a white yomlungu uthi sibe 4 these guys abangani baka Big Boss bachoose thina ikilobona so awushozi hosama yiwe vele kuxokiyo vele vele beku all white basithengele vele izimpahla esimhlophe vele bastresse re makeup re mirror uthi sibe bahle awushozi kufike ukuthi vele kuyiwa lapha ku ocean kuyenziwa leyo party leyo uthi vele masi bas transporter to the ocean uthi this other like the guy the boss lo onayo bekane drug business so kushuthi kucatshana between ama bosses should end along the way ukuthi umunye uba ngithef no bathi bangithef yakhe so kucatshaniwe vele kucatshaniwe ku-threatenishiwe vele kuze ukuthi le enye le ishayisa this other guy esihamba ngayo babashayisa bafuna udubula vele the boss ukuthi ngapha besihamba nama bodyguards and then mantombazana bashayisa vele imoto yethu vele iflip yabona or iflip awushozi sibona ukuthi la senkinge uthi le bodyguard vele ivula umnyango athi phumani nibaleke and then these guys abashayisele imoto le vele baqale vele bakhipha ibham vele badubule or awushozi bathungela ibodyguard itsele badubule nemoto yale Big Boss ethi vele Big Boss ikhona yona ukubaleka ibaleke uthi thina sesifona athi sesiyabaleka phela manje sesibalekile impilo yethu sesibalekile nokuthi sifuna ukubalekana nale Big Boss uthi bona babaleke bagijimisana just like that kube scene just like that uqola amaphosi thina sibaleke or awushoze rechabe uthi le ndawo le bisikiyo besingayazi but sabaleka to next extent ukuthi masithi sabaleka siyasaqrachaba so rebona gereke or like direction it pointer to a church uthi azange sifuna ukubuza next uthi sasiphonsa ngaphakathi esontweni ucabanga kana ku rapper licebezana rapper apart revealing uthi we didn't want to care the only thing besine ndaba uthi safety uthi sifike vele ngalena sife restore vele abantu basesontweni vele uthi sife vele kuhle phansi vele sikhale sikhuluma ukuthi sitshontiwe in abantu babadubula in store abantu store uthi vele umfundisi athatha ifone athi maphoyisa afonela amaphoyisa uthi thina sivele basume traffic ile sijoko South Africa in uthi mina no friend wami labana abakhuluma ukuthi bavela kupha vele kubizwa amaphoyisa vele makafika or awushoze vele amaphoyisa thatha i-statement uthi sisho ukuthi izo kanjani uthi vele umfundisi athi don't worry ngizonipha i-shelter for tonight until amaphoyisa alungise indaba zenu ukuthi bandiporte back to your countries or hayi sibe relieved awushozi bakhiphe vele bekune kitchen soup basikhiphele vele ukudla vele basidle vele uthi vele umfundisi athi bantwana bami ngizohamba lampi kwami yabona urayi vele sigibele emotweni kamfundisi sikamfundisi uthi vele kasifika kamfundisi vele umfundisi kube umuntu ukuthi vele umuntu laba vele abaserious ngenkolo uthi afike vele asithandazele ukuthi vele uNkulunkulu asigeze izono zethu in moment ukuthi sithengise imizimba it's a sin simtshele every single detail azange sishare next abana asithandazele uthi the following day vele athi this friend of mine embassy ngizomcela ukuthi aprocess izinto zenimasini khona ujika banibusele emakini basebenzana amaphoyisa ukuthi khona uhamba or awushozi sihleli kamfundisi maybe for a week because of bese busy basalungisa amaphepha bathi bazosibiza umfundisi wathi don't worry nizohlala la or awushozi angakutshela ukuthi sihleli kamfundisi for a week umfundisi he was providing for us asithandazela simklinela or ntato ola naro mechike mudimu should like was bekahlala asichumayela ivangeli uthi asitshela athi ngicela ukuthi nirepenteni ngicela linikeleni kuNkulunkulu kusesemanje sesengapha kilikolobetsheni umkhoromndimo alamugele ahlatswe dibitsaleni or awushozi azange sale next sivume yonke into asenza sadala kolobetshwa uthi after masiqeda kolobetshwa the following day vele base ukuthi no i-documentation ethu ilungile let's go back to South Africa or awushozi basideporte kanjalo ke le country nama abantu be-embassy namaphoyisa basebenzisa like that basideporte back to our country or awushozi afihla mu South Africa the first thing that we did sahamba ke siyofuna the girl the lady we influencer asifika vele sambuza ukuthi kahle wayo senza so uthi kelathi no mina phela ngithengisile ngini outsourcile yabo asangakhuluma isigama ukuthi ngithengisile no ke outsourcile to this guy says yena uzonibhadala mina yena uzongibhadala imali yami as agency ukuthi ngilethele ama 2 young beautiful girls ngapha and mina abengangithengisela ukuthi ngiyani human trafficker mina bengi agency ngifunela abantu like imisebenzi abangapha ngibayisangala then mina they pay me for ama services wami all ashows asho kanjalo uthi kwesithi okay ngoba usho kanjalo so i documentation yethu bayohamba na no amaphepha lawo nginikeze that guy everything and bese kufanele nginikeze that guy, so why are you thinking ukuthi mina ngaze nganthi or I was sure gore like motho o mona gore asintoma thomo a yetsa unto I dira every day are o dirile morena or I was sure ngibona ukuthi lentombazana le kahle kahle mina indaba yayo angizwa uthi ngihambe ngithi police station 2 ngifuna uvula case uthi masifika lapha police station or I was sure request thole ama phoyisa wabafazi uthi vele sifix chacha ukuthi isigayeli uhambe nathi wasithembisa umsebenzi uthi sichaza sonke story uthi vele phoyisa uthi hayi mara nalo muntu angisho umthembisa umsebenzi athi noba moye press ngaphandle navuma nahamba. So what's the cost ukuthi imvule case uthi sichaza ukuthi lo muntu lo kanti bekazi ukuthi uyasithengisa kubiziwe ugele ubunguzwe girl for questioning but bayamfuna possession kunabantu in as uthugel vele as uthugel afike vele achaza ukuthi no mina ngi agent nya outsource amantombazana babafuna umsebenzi athi not only girls even boys babafuna umsebenzi mina ngiyabayenza and then mina ngiba agents bayangibhadala. So these ladies because of bona ona iba civil so baqa ukuthi mina ngibathengisa akabarikisha uthi awushozi umuntu aflipe istory kube ngathi vele asina case thina we went there willingly and then sayenza whatever siyenza because of besithanda. Or also what I can tell you kadu uthethesa South Africa there are a lot of girls abadlula kule zinto sizenzayo. There are a lot of girls abaphume ngaphandle kwe-country bangasakhona ukubuya ngapha because of bathengisiwe in the name of better opportunities out there. Anginamlomo nangiso anginamlomo. But mina I always say if umuntu athi ngune gig outside asambe ngune gig outside don't go. Why nanga yosebenza khona afuthi yena nosebenza nene nabuye boss lady ningavumi because these ladies they know ukuthi bakhona amantombazana la abathanda this expensive life abayiportray la ku social media and abazi ukuthi iyo ebadonsayo ukuthi bavume ukuthi no it's possible nami ngisithathe ngenza so until ngiba nemali. No it's possible because uthi intombazana vele bekabatshela kanjalo ukuthi no it's possible if you see me la khona today it's because of nami I started from the bottom ngahola ngama-dollars then came back to this country ngaba nemali. That's when ngistarta ke ukuthi ngibona ukuthi kunama opportunities outside. Uthi bekasitshela kanjalo like motivational speaker empilweni zethu only for her ukuthi asithengisa then amaphoyisa mafika athina bekas outsource. Hi guys, bye.